If you're in the wellness world whatsoever, I'm sure you know Keri Glassman, but maybe you just recognize her face from places like Good Morning America and The Rachel Ray Show. If you don't know her though, I want to tell you a little bit about someone I get to call my friend, mentor, and she's going to kill me for saying this, but one of the most genuine, amazing people I have ever met. She is the OG celebrity dietitian, best-selling author, and founder of the Nutritious Life, which I am so proudly a part of. I'm just going to pretend I'm in this picture. Keri has created a program and a community that has changed thousands of lives. We have a dire problem. There's so much misinformation and misguidance when it comes to nutrition, wellness, food. Keri and her program are the trusted source for evidence-based nutrition and wellness information. Whether you are just interested in wellness or want to pursue a career in it or further your career, or you're a dietitian like me that just needs to keep learning from my clients and wants to be part of a community, look no further. And dietitians, you get 62 of your continuing ed credit. I mean, come on. In this Become a Nutrition Coach program, you get everything you need. It's like a one-stop shop. It's not just learning about nutrition, it's how to actually build a business. Keri and her team have built this insane virtual platform. Weekly live discussions with Keri, expert guest series, book clubs, you name it. This is not just for someone who wants to become a nutrition coach. This is anybody in the wellness field that needs to learn and continue to learn. This is not just gaining a crucial education, but it is becoming part of our community. We're like cool, but nerdy. Click the link in my caption to find out more, and I can't wait to see you at the next event.